Okay guys, today we are going to start a new one, that is puzzles generally asked in quants. This is a quants question that I faced, which I felt very happy. I mean, this is one of the good problem that I have solved. So the problem is simple. Let me explain the problem first, then I'll give in. You can try it on your own. If not, check the answer in this video itself. So what is happening? What is the question actually? Let us say in a classroom there are 100 people, and on the classroom in the classroom there is a switchboard where switchboard number 1, switchboard number 2, switchboard number 3, and so on up to switchboard number 99 and switchboard number 100. So these are named as their numbers, and there are 100 people. So what will happen? Each people go, initially all the switches are in off. So the first person goes in, he'll press all the switches because all the switches are multiples of 1. So after first person go in, all switches will be on. Next second person goes. What he'll do? He'll press each and every switch that is multiple of 2. So he'll press 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on till 100. Okay. Now what will happen? These are like, if you press once it will be off, then if you press again it will become on. So what is going to happen now? 1 will be off, 2 will be on, 3 will be off, 4 will be on, 5 will be off, like that. 6 will be on. Next third person goes in. What he'll do? He'll press every button that is multiple of 3, 3, 6, 9 and so on. Like that, each and every person will go in and press his multiples. Like if suppose 71 goes in, it will press 71 because this is the only multiple that is available less than, within 100. So he'll press 71 button and then he'll go and sit inside the class. Now, what will happen? How many switches will be on? After 100th person go in. This is the question, guys. If you want to solve this one, pause here and try to do it. Otherwise, keep playing it. I'll explain the solution now. This is a problem where you need to approach in reverse engineering model. So let us see in reverse engineering. Let us take a number called, suppose let us say, take 8. How many multiples it has? 1, 8, 2, 4. So it has even number of multiples. So what will happen? 1 will come and switch it on. Then 2 will go, switch it off. Then 4 will go, switch it on. Then 8 will go, switch it off. So for every two multiples, I mean factors, sorry, even number of factors. So for every two factors, the switch is becoming off. Again, for every two factors, switch is becoming off. Let us see another number. Let us say some 24. 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. Even this 24 number has even number of factors. So what will happen? For every 2, the switch will be off, switch will be off, switch will be off. again switch will be off. So for every even number of factors, I mean if a number has even number of factors, the final output of the switch is off. So let us see if there are any numbers whose factors are odd. If you take any number, generally if it is other than perfect squares, then the number has even factors. If you take perfect squares, that is like you take 9, the units are, I mean the factors are 1, 9 and 3, because 3 into 3 is 9. So 1 will go on it, 3 will go off it, again 9 will go on it. So all the perfect squares, I mean within 100 will be on. That is 1, 9, 16, 4, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. Only these numbers will be on. Remaining all will be off. So how many perfect squares are there in less than 100? That is 10. So number of switches that will be on here, 10. I mean there are multiple ways of, I mean, giving the question from this info. Like they might say within 1000 how many switches will be on. I mean the highest perfect square that exists less than 100 is 961. So it is a square of 31. So 31 switches will be on, just like. Presentation that we just discussed will be kept in the description. I mean, you can follow the link and you'll get it. This channel is mainly intended to provide quality questions that are generally asked in mechanical engineering interviews. So, I mean, to get more of this content, follow this space. Goodbye.